Hi, I'm Ruth Klein, brand strategist and productivity coach, and I want to share a few ideas about branding with you today. What is your brand? I know you've heard that comment so many times bantered around, especially recently, but there are two pieces that you need to pay attention to when you're looking at your brand. The first is your personal brand, and the second is your business brand. Your personal brand has to do with everything that there is to do about you. So it's your successes, your failures, your hobbies, your education, your experiences, your expertise. It's all of that, and no one, I mean no one, is similar to you. And so once you get a very clear and focused vision as to what your personal brand is, you really don't have much competition. But here's the clincher. The clincher is your personal brand has to come across very clearly to the people that could use your services and products. That means your business brand or your external piece to your brand has to be very consistent with your personal. So your business brand needs to be reflected from your personal piece. And once you have those very consistent, then all of a sudden, just when someone asks you, what do? They're either going to be attracted to what you have to offer them and how you can help them and your expertise, or they're not. And for those that are in alignment with what you do and how you can serve them, it's a beautiful, ideal match. And for those that aren't, that's okay too, because there are plenty of people that they'll have a match with. And I think that's a really important piece to understand. Sometimes in business we say, who is our client? And the response is everyone. That's your first symbol and signal that something's gone awry. Everyone is not your customer. It's not your ideal customer as well. Even toilet paper has a different brand, different branding for different people. So what is your personal brand? And what that requires is it requires you to really be able to see who you are at an essence level, deep down at an essence level. And it's really easy many times to get help from friends, or better yet, from people who've actually used your services or your products. What makes this so great? Ask them, what makes the service so great? What makes it different? What makes the product so great? What makes it different? And you will have invaluable information. Also, when you hear your testimonials coming from satisfied clients, what are they saying? Usually there's a trend. They're saying the same thing, but many times in different language. So what are they saying? That also is a big piece of who you are, and only you. Just as we all have, we look, we're all humans, we all have our fingers, and we have different fingerprints, we have different brand prints. Even identical twins have different fingerprints. And so what is it that's going to make you different? So these are important pieces that it's instrumental that you get this right from the get-go, and it's a basic idea for you, because what you basically want to be able to do is take your expertise and you want to be able to leverage it. You want to be able to leverage the knowledge and the intellectual information and be able to take that and leverage it as many ways as you can. And we're going to be talking about some of the ways that you can leverage that in our next video when I speak about marketing. So thanks so much. Hopefully this is an idea that you can think about a little bit. And I'm Ruth Klein, brand strategist and productivity coach.